Okay, so we are about to start with set 3 of 2022 और इसमें हम सॉल्व करेंगे फिजिक्स के क्वेश्चंस। और पहला क्वेश्चन जो है वो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में दिया है एक an electric heater which is rated 1100 watt. So 1100 watt is the power. This is question number 4's A part. So power is 1100 watt. Now it operates as 220 volts, so potential difference is given 220 volt. Calculate its resistance. First we have to find the resistance. So we have to calculate firstly the resistance, and secondly we have to calculate the current. अब पावर जो है इन टर्म्स ऑफ, क्योंकि हमें V दिया है और R निकालना है, P भी गिवन है इन टर्म्स ऑफ V एंड R, इट्स V square by R. So power is given, which is 1100. Potential difference is 220 and square. We have to find R. So R हो जाएगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने पे आएगा, it's 220 square divided by 1100. So 220 square can be written as 220 into 220 by 1100. We can cancel these two zeros. 11 twos are is 22, and the resistance is 44. SI unit is ohm. So make sure you write the SI unit, else they will deduct the half marks for this. Now we have to find the current, which current हम find out करेंगे using Ohm's law. So Ohm's law says that V is equal to IR. V is 220. Current we have to find out, resistance is 44. So I is equal to 220 divided by 44. 45 5s are is 220. I is equal to 5 और ये हो गया एम्पियर. So current आ गया 5 एम्पियर. Next, the OR part, which says that we have to calculate the equivalent resistance of the following circuit. So इसमें these two, first we will evaluate the innermost resistances. These two are connected in series, so इनकी effective resistance हो जाएगी, let इन दोनों की effective resistance, because they are connected in series, तो series में हम resistances, individual resistances को add करते हैं, तो ये हो जाएगी आपकी 10 ohm plus 10 ohm which is equal to 20 ohm. तो अब आपका सर्किट कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा, ये है 10 ohm, ये रेजिस्टेंस जो है ये हो जाएगी आपकी, this resistance will now be 20 ohm, and with this across this, इसके across एक और रेजिस्टर कनेक्टेड है जो कि है ये वाला रेजिस्टेंस which is 20 ohm. तो ये है 20 ohm. Now अब आपका सर्किट कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा. Now we will evaluate these two. Now these two are connected in parallel, और रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल जो है वो होती है, the reciprocal of the resistance in parallel is sum of the reciprocal of the individual resistance. 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20, which is 2 by 20, is equal to 1 by 10, and still we have to reciprocate it, so it's 10 ohm. तो इनकी इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगी 10 ओम. अब आपका सर्किट जो है कुछ इस तरह हो जाएगा, 10 ओम और ये बीच में हो गई 10 ओम, और फिर है आपके पास नेक्स्ट जो है वो है 20 ओम. अब ये सारे रजिस्टर्स जो हैं दे आर कनेक्टेड एंड टू एंड. एंड टू एंड मीन्स दे आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. तो आपकी जो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस है सर्किट की और जो इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस है वो अब हो जाएगी, वी हैव टू ऐड देम, 10 ohm plus 10 ohm plus 20 ohm which is equal to 40 ohm. So 40 ohm is the effective resistance of the circuit. Let's move on to the next question.